Hello, let me start by asking you a question. Have you ever tried to connect a new smart TV or a friend's laptop to your Wi-Fi network but you can't remember the password? It's a real pain, I know. But this quick, simple tutorial will guide you step by step on how to view your Wi-Fi password. And as a network engineer working in IT for 26 years, you're in safe hands. So let's get started. So first thing what we want to do is come down into control panel. So we want to go down to search, down here, and let's start by typing control panel, and we can see it here. Okay, so once in control panel, hopefully you see it as a category view. If you don't and you're seeing it with the icons like this, then all you need to do is just obviously view by and do category. Just makes it a bit simpler. So under network and internet, if we click here, we will then get to the network and sharing center. So once in the network and sharing center, you can do view network status and tasks. Okay, so here we can actually see we've got two network adapters. Network 2 is a wired LAN connection, and network 3 here is the wireless connection. And you can see that because it says wireless, and you've got the little bar here for signal strength. So now if we click on the wireless network, okay, so we come to the general options, go into wireless properties, then go into security. So now we can see that, and now we just click the show. And here we can see the network password or security key that I inputted. Now, I will first off and say this is not my network password. This is what I've used for obviously the testing and recording this video. I would not recommend using something as simple as that. You need something a bit longer, something with characters, numbers, and special characters as well. So just bear that in mind when choosing a wireless password. So that's really how simple it is to view your security key or wireless password in Windows 11. And with that, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.